Kwa ihinda ruhonge rwa magoti rukoretwo rugiteta ni thirikari kwaga kurugaira kigina gia kuigana, undu uria uhingaga mirutire yao ya wira. Akiaria hindi ya igongona ria kuhinga fairo cia acirithania Justice David Majanja na Justice Daniel Ogembo aria meriga gukua, Mucirithania munene Martha Koome augite thirikari ni ibatie kuigua kiriro kiao na mathukire kigina gia kuigana kuona riu mirutire ya wira ya ruhonge ruru ithiete na mbere kuhotoma.
When are we going to stop mourning about resources so that we can access justice to our people? It is when the government will realize that legal services and ensuring rule of law is followed and is protected and is promoted requires resource allocation.
Koome ni ongereire kuga magoti ma macira ma kimucii mabatie kuongererwo na makorwo kaunti-ini ciothe 47 niguo macira maingi ma family magatuithanagio na ihenya, no wagi wa kigina ni muhinga munene gukinyanirio tungata uyu.
We should duplicate this court, at least to start with Mombasa, Kisumu and Nakuru, the cities. But please, our stakeholders, you have to help us urge for budgetary allocation. Because if we have the resources to employ the number of magistrates we require and employ the number of judges that we require, this is a model that we would like to operate in every court station. Because in every court station, these matters are there and these matters need to be expedited.
No na thengia wa ruhonge ruru gukorwo na unyihu wa kigina, macira maingi ni mahotete gutuithanio. Koome akioria anyitite mimatiganite guthie na mbere kurutithania wira nao.
So in the year 2023, 2,383 new cases were filed and an impressive 2,355 cases were concluded. Then come 2024. The court's performance continued on an upward trajectory with 2,960 cases filed and even a higher number of 3,308 cases concluded. Just this year, this court has received 909 new cases filed just in 3 months. And they have managed to conclude 965 cases.
Unyihu wa kigina ruhonge-ini rwa magoti ni thina ukoretwo kuo kwa ihinda, na ona thengia wa ciraniro cia guthukirwo kigina gia guteithiriria ruhonge ruru, undu uyu ukoretwo uri mairiria. Ngiribotera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Muiruri.